Cassie, and today I am going to be testing out a recipe for edible slime. I've just been really curious because slime's just kind of, I don't know, I would never think of eating it, so making an edible recipe is going to be interesting. And obviously that's why I'm not going to be in my room, because I don't want to get my room all messy, because I am really messy when I cook. Ask my mom. It doesn't matter where we're at, we're going to have a grand time. But anyways, so yeah, let's just go right into the video.
Okay, so first off, the recipe didn't give me directions, it just gave me ingredients, so I just kind of guessed. So I assumed you put in the dry ingredients first, so I just put the pudding mix in first, and I got the vanilla flavor. So yeah, I just got 1/4 cup and put it in a mixing bowl. The next ingredient was some cornstarch, so I just put it in there, and it said 1 cup, which actually is a lot. But, you know, I just followed the recipe, and then I just added some water a little bit at a time. Just kidding, but seriously, this took like forever to mix.
Okay, so now I'm going to judge the slime by its actual slime, not just forgetting that it's edible. I mean, for not having any borax, having any glue, having anything, I mean, I think it's pretty good. It's kind of sticky, which might be my fault. I don't know, because there's no directions for the recipe. So knowing how much cornstarch is in this, I'm kind of scared to see how it turns out. Okay, so now the moment you guys all been waiting for. Is it good or is it bad? Okay, just gonna get a whole chunk right here. It's not bad. I mean, I probably wouldn't make it just to eat it, but I mean, I think it tastes pretty good. The texture is very interesting. If you try it, let me know if you guys will like it or not, because it's seriously, it's a weird texture, but I like it. And also the flavor, I chose vanilla, but I just really like vanilla, the flavor. So, I mean, there's a ton of flavors you can choose, like chocolate, banana cream. I don't know what other pudding cream flavors there are out there, but I personally really like vanilla. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I think it's pretty good. All in all, I'm very impressed with the slime, even though it's not stretchy. I mean, what do you expect, people? It's made out of cornstarch, pudding mix, and water. You don't expect greatness like slime-wise. But I mean, if you're just doing your homework and want something to play with, get the slime out, and then if you get hungry, just be like, And that is my review on the slime. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Again, we are so close to 200 subscribers. And the comment of the day is, what's your favorite time to watch YouTube videos? So in the morning, at night, not what time are you watching it, but what's your favorite time to watch YouTube videos? Right when you get out of bed, before you go to bed? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I think that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hey, Dad, you want to try this?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, you can't even taste it with that. Just take the whole thing.
That's enough.
Oh, okay.
Interesting.
You want more?
No thanks. Tastes like raw cookie dough.
Oh, okay.
As for the cleaning up afterwards...